Welcome to Bike Lane. Today we take a closer look at one of India's most trusted budget commuters, the Bajaj CT 100. Known for its affordability, mileage and durability, this bike has been a favorite among daily riders for years. Let's dive into what makes it so special. Design and build quality. The Bajaj CT 100 sports a simple yet functional design. With a lightweight frame and a comfortable seat, it's built for city rides and rough rural roads. The durable metal body and robust suspension ensure longevity, making it a reliable choice for those who need a no-fuss commuter. Engine and performance. Powered by a 102cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, the CT 100 delivers a modest yet efficient performance. It produces around 7.9 bhp and 8.3 Nm of torque, making it perfect for daily commuting. The engine is tuned for fuel efficiency rather than speed, and that's where it truly shines. Mileage and fuel efficiency. One of the biggest reasons for the CT 100's popularity is its incredible mileage, with figures ranging from 75 to 90 km/L under ideal conditions. It's one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its segment. This makes it a top choice for those looking to save on fuel costs. Comfort and ride quality. The bike features a long and well-cushioned seat, ensuring comfort for both the rider and pillion. The telescopic front forks and SNS spring-in-spring rear suspension absorb shocks well, making it easy to handle rough patches on the road. Pricing and value for money. Affordability is key when it comes to the CT 100. With a price tag that is easy on the wallet, it provides excellent value for money. Low maintenance costs and readily available spare parts further add to its appeal. Final verdict. Is it worth it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient and low-maintenance commuter bike, the Bajaj CT 100 is an excellent choice. While it may not have high-end features, it delivers exactly what it promises: reliability and efficiency. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bike Lane for more motorcycle insights. Ride safe and see you in the next one.